Chime, PPP, Womply, Harvest, Blueacorn. This is the latest and greatest information, and this is the latest and greatest update. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. I hope everybody's enjoying their day, their summer, their morning, their night. Allergies is kicking me right now. It's kicking me in the face right now. But we're gonna get through it. We're gonna get through it. You know, like I said, these allergies are kicking me, but we're gonna get through it. Let me know in the comment section exactly where you guys stand when it comes to all of this. You know, feel free to drop your comments below. I'm going to try my best to help you guys, especially when it comes down to you know, getting funding and stuff like that. A lot of people have been questioning funds. A lot of people have been asking me what's their next step. So feel free to drop your comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. If you guys have Harvest, it does look like Harvest and Chime, they are working together and getting everybody funded. A lot of people were questioning Chime and questioning exactly how long it takes. When do they fund? Are they still funding? So hopefully we get those answers here shortly. But before we start, I do want to let you guys know I am still hosting a giveaway at the end of this month. If you guys want to be entered, all you guys got to do is make sure you like and subscribe. That is the easiest way to actually be entered in the giveaway. You know, and I actually got playlists on my channel as well, because I will be putting out future details as far as what to do to actually be entered into the giveaway. Now, I will be doing this all on my channel as well. I got playlists. We talk about Chime, stimulus checks, all that good stuff, you know, right on my channel. So if you guys got questions, as I always say, feel free to drop a comment, or then go to my channel and check out that playlist as well. So let's get right to this. This is actually a comment from a member of my channel. So if you guys actually want to be a member, I think you guys actually got to go onto a desktop, and you'll see like an option that says join. So once you'll be able to join, you get extra perks, extra benefits and stuff like that, especially when it comes down to the channel. So yeah, let's get right to this. This is strictly from Womply. Someone began to say, I got my Harvest redeposit in my Chime. Last week they rejected it because it said PPP second operating. I had opened a new account and updated the info, but 8 days later they resent as SHBF. Now to get the SBA, to get my TANSA on the way. So it does look like, when it come down to it, it does look like people are getting funded, and this was couple days ago. So people are getting funded. Hopefully tonight people are getting funded. I know as we talked about in my last video, when it came down to Harvest, people were actually stating that they got funded. You know what I mean? Then somebody actually gave me a screenshot of their funds, and it looks like that's what it came up as, HSBF PPP Chime. So it does look like Chime is still doing those giveaways. Not giveaways, it's still funding. Because a lot of people were saying, well, Chime doesn't fund, Chime stopped funding. It really does look like they're doing those funds. And I do want to let you guys know as well, when it comes down to those funds, everybody is different. Everybody is, every business is different when it comes down to that. But it does look like you will get funded, you know, when it comes down to it, you know what I mean? So with that being said, as I always say, feel free to drop your comments and concerns below. Let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. And yeah, let's get into some of these, read some of these comments. Excuse me, somebody said McDonald's coffee, because it did look like it said something about McDonald's on there. So it says McDonald's coffee. They said, no, the app had a coupon for one of those new chicken sandwiches, free with $1 minimum purchase, a Sprite, and a piece of cheese on the sandwich. Wow. Speaking of that, has anybody had their chicken sandwich? I'm not too sure exactly how I would feel about getting a chicken sandwich from McDonald's. So at the end of the day, guys, let me know in the comment section about that. You know, have you guys had their chicken sandwich? Of course, I've tried Chick-fil-A's, KFC's, you know, places like that. So I just need to know exactly. Let me know. Have you tried their chicken sandwich? And to be honest, like I always say, man, I'm down to try things new, but chicken sandwich from McDonald's, I don't know about that. Somebody said, sounds like my kids. Oh, mom got money. LOL, I just worked 56 days in a row on a broken knee. Jeez. I'm getting in bed, taking the weekend off, and not doing a dang thing. And sleeping for more than 2 to 3 hours at a time sounds good. Somebody said, good, congratulations. So Chime now accept PPP again, with harvest indicating them. So, that does look like that is the case, guys. Does look like that is the case. Harvests have been on the air, approved lenders through Womply. But my deposit and all others batched that day. Had it came through as PPP second operating, so got kicked back. Usually comes through as harvest or HSBF. So hopefully Chime can give us an explanation, a better explanation when it comes down to this, because of course, Chime watches my videos, they watch my content. So hopefully in the comment section, if you guys have Chime, as I always say, feel free to drop them in the comments below. It does look like that they drop, they get funds in batches. So like, let's say they may fund 1,000 people at a time, depending on certain criteria. I don't know that criteria, but it does look like they get, they fund people on certain criteria. Somebody else began to say, okay, I have Chime and I'm on lender funding since Thursday. After the update banking info. Now, if you were asked to do this banking update, just know that it could be glitches. It could not be. That's really up to you to figure out, because a lot of people were stating there were glitches. A lot of people were stating it wasn't. So that's very, very tough, when it comes down to that. But at the end of the day, I do want to continue to spread this positivity, especially people that are still waiting on their PPP SBA loans. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. At any time, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Let us know where you stand. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP loan. Looks like we got some good news. We're going to be talking about Capital Plus, Chime, Bank of America, all that good stuff, right? My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. That is the easiest way for you guys to be entered in the contest. I'm actually going to be doing these details very, very soon. So you guys want to be in tune. That way you guys are updated. Like I said, make sure you guys subscribe, like this video. And it does look like people are being funded. Yes, people are being funded. And it says funded through BA, Dash Card, wait finally over. It looks like they have $20,000 on this card. So let's begin to read these comments and see exactly what's going on. How long did it take? All of that good stuff, right? Feel free at any time. Drop those comments, concerns below. Let us know, exactly where you guys stand. Are you guys still waiting? But it does look like funds are on the way. Now, a lot of people was getting funded yesterday. And it looks like a lot more people are getting funded tonight. So like I always say, guys, drop the comments below. Let me know exactly where you guys stand. As you guys can see there, Capital Plus, PPP funding, June 21st, guys. June 21st. And this is actually, I guess it's what the Dash Card looks like. I've never seen this before. So this is new to me as well. And as I always say, guys, feel free to drop those comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. If you guys need help, I got a lot of financial institutions who actually watch my content, whether it's Chime, Bank of America, Capital Plus, Womply, Blueacorns, all those companies, they tend to watch my videos, and they can actually give you guys some type of help, at least some type of help when it comes to this. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. So let's get right to this and read some of these comments, because I know it's a good day for a lot of you people. I know a lot of people get funded and they forget to tell me they get funded, or somebody write down their update and then they forget to come back and tell me they're updated. You know what I mean? Just because I totally understand. Especially people get funded and they're like, hey, I don't need you no more, QUiNTiN. Totally fine. You don't need my updates anymore. I get it. But this person reverted back and they told me, yo, I want to be the ones to let you know, and I want you to let your community know as well that, hey, I'm getting funded. I've got funded. this is the amount of days. It's on a cash card, and I got $20,000. So here you guys have it. This member has $20,000. Of course, we were celebrating it. Somebody said, "How do you get exactly 20K?" Pretty hard to do, right? Was thinking the same. How'd you get the Dash card? Now, a lot of people don't know. I'll read this comment and I'll kind of get into it. But they said, when I had to switch banks, that was my only option. So what do I apply for Dash? They said, message me to put you through. Somebody said I did. So basically, to actually get the Dash card, and like I said, this is updated. Let's say you get an email stating you got to re-verify your banking information, or your banking information can't be verified. Sometimes they will give you an option for the Dash card. It does look like this is more of a popular option as of right now, considering we're past the deadline. Right, we're past the deadline, which was May 30th, and the funds should be getting posted to people's account June 30th. So it looks like they have 30 days until it gets extended. I don't know yet, but it could, who knows, it could be extended, but until it get extended, I do not know yet. But yeah, so if you got to do that, try to go into your lender settings to see if you can actually change and to get the Dash card, or possibly contact whoever your lenders do. A lot of these lenders may have a chat that you guys can actually contact to actually get into that. They said, how long until you receive your Dash card? I received it 2 weeks after opting for it. They said 2 weeks, the borrower rejected. They began to say, in the last few days before receiving your phone, did you get some emails about your Dash card and a text update from SBA? They began to say, no, I called Dash to see when they sent my card. So that's good, guys. As I always say, try to contact these companies. Try to contact Dash. Try to contact Womply, Capital Plus, whoever your bank is through, or whoever, wherever you got questions through. Try to contact them first, guys. Because I know you can panic, but I don't know who to contact. That's why it's good if whoever you talk to, try to remember their name, write their name down, write the phone number down. That way, number one, you can backtrack. You can always backtrack. So it looks like this person got their Dash number, ended up calling a Dash card, and got that update. Somebody began to say, in the last few days before receiving your phone, did you get some emails about your Dash card and a text update from SBA? They began to say, no, I called Dash to see when they sent my card. Good going. How long have you been a borrower funded? And they said 4-9. That's like 2 months ago for first or second draw. And they said for the first. And they said that's discouraging, which is very true, guys. I know people have been getting funded as far right now, but they've been waiting 2 months, a month and a half, 10 weeks, So I know, guys, it can be discouraging, but if you're in the system, you should be in good hands, guys. Just don't be too discouraged, but all you can do is wait. It's not much we can do, especially when it comes to this. What can you do? Government to actually figure out exactly what's going on. So that's my advice to you guys. If you got the option for a Dash card, feel free to use the Dash card. Try to get the Dash card. Like I said, that way you're not waiting, you're not stressing out. A lot of people have been having panic attacks and all that stuff, so totally understand. As I always say, feel free to drop those comments and concerns below. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. Womply PPP. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. I'm here to bring you guys the latest and the greatest information. Of course, if you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. I will be bringing you guys daily content for your benefit, my benefit, everybody's benefit. At any time, if you guys want to, feel free to drop a comment below. Let me know how you guys feel, exactly what's going on. If you guys have been funded, I know a lot of people have been getting funded this weekend. Also, happy Father's Day to the fathers out there. Don't forget, people are getting funded today. So if that's a good thing, if you guys got funded, that's pretty good. But I'm going to continue to stay positive and try to push, some good positivity to you guys, because I know a lot of you guys have been waiting to get funded, whether you guys been waiting weeks, months, years, so hopefully we got some good news for you guys. And if not tonight, tomorrow, everybody will be getting funded. Feel free to drop the comments below. Let me know where you guys stand. Once again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys like and subscribe. So let's get right into this. This is strictly from Womply. They began to say how people are saying harvest is not funding no more when people got their money last week. Speak for yourself. I'm getting funded. Stay positive. A good Sunday and happy Father's Day. Now, if you have harvest or like I said Blueacorn or Womply, let me know in the comment section. Let me know how long it actually took you guys to get funded, because a lot of people were getting funded within weeks. Some people were getting funded within months. So everybody's different, as I always talk about. Then I always like to tell you guys based on the amount. So let's say if you were funded for 5K, 10K, 20K, you may receive your funds sooner than somebody who is supposed to receive 40K, 30K. So it really all depends, and trust me guys, it does depend. But a lot of people have been going through a lot of glitches as well. So if you had to re-verify time after time, you could be part of this glitch cycle that everybody's going through. You know, it's kind of hard to tell exactly if it's a glitch or not. I totally understand, but the best thing that you guys can do is either you guys can look at it like this. Either if the glitch is going on, you guys could actually continue to try to re-verify, but some people and some reports are stating that if you continue to do that, you'll actually get booted out of the system in queue. Meaning, let's say if you were in line, let's say if you were at a grocery store in line and you were fifth in line, right? If you keep re-verifying, that can actually knock you out and put you at the back of the line. So, and it's tough situation, and it's a tough call, but you guys have to make that call. You know, I can't make that call, you can't make that call, but I would say if it continues to happen, you know, you kind of just got to do what you got to do, right? Now, we're going to keep hope alive, as we always do. If you are funded or been waiting to get funded, you should be getting funded here soon. So let's just keep hope alive. Somebody began to say, facts, we're getting paid tomorrow, which is Monday. And I wouldn't put it past anybody, because a lot of people were getting funded Sunday. Sunday night, people were getting funded Monday morning. So it could go either way. Somebody said hopefully, but I'm on lender funding right now. Somebody said I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot, but some, so the chances are looking good right now. So we're just going to stay positive. You know, that's all we can do is continue to stay positive and push that envelope of people are going to get funded. Somebody said I'm seeing people get funded today. Not a lot. Okay. Must not be traditional banks, but they getting funded. That's all that matters. So when they say not traditional banks, they're talking about a bank like Chime, a bank like Dave Bank, XYZ. You know what I mean? Like a traditional bank is a bank that you can actually go into. Let's say like a Huntington. You know, that's like a traditional bank. A Chase, that's a traditional bank. You know, especially places, a key bank that you can go in your car, drive to these physical locations. That's like the traditional bank. Now, somebody began to say, you saw somebody get funded. They said, yeah, today. No, it's someone on this group page. Somebody said, we're from Chicago. I'm from California. Oh, nice. Now, I'm not going to say it depends on location, but a lot of people from California, from Chicago have been getting funded. Somebody began to say, congrats to you guys. I know last week was tough for everyone. I was there too. I signed my PN on 5/31 for first draw. I went into lender funding on 6/11, UBI on 6/12, borrower funded on 6/15, and funds in my Capital One bank account from Harvest LENDISTRY on 6/16. So happy for you guys. The funds are on the way. Praying they drop early this week for you. So that was a basic timeline that this person actually began to display. When they signed the PN, when they got their first draw, borrower funded, all of that good stuff. So that's a good timeline. Somebody began to say congratulations on getting your funds, and yes, we hope so too. Again, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you guys got questions, feel free to drop those questions and concerns below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway. Now that's very, very simple, very, very easy to be entered. So let's get right to this, because a lot of people was questioning Capital Plus. What's the payouts? You know, what's the latest updates? What's all that good stuff? So a member of my channel actually began to say, Capital Plus latest payouts. Just finished searching the PPP loan database. You can search by lender and sort by approval date. By looking at this data, I'm seeing that no one who's been approved since April 28th forward has not been funded by Capital Plus. As you talked about, if you guys want to subscribe and like, feel free to do both of that. all you guys gotta do is hit the like under the video, and then also subscribe. So you hit the subscribe button as well at the bottom. Somebody began to say I'm with Capital Plus as well. Thank you for sharing. Thanks. Been on lender funding for like 3 days now. Thank you for this. I'm Capital Plus.